A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tamim bil khair. Allahumma alimna ma yanfa'una wanfa'na bima 'allamtana wa zidna min fadlika ilman wa ta'aliman innaka antal alimul hakim. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Today we are going to have a quiz on the first and two chapters of the story of Ibrahim alayhi salam, inshallah. Let's do a quick check. How many of you guys want an easy quiz? Let me allow you guys to give me 1 minute. How many of you guys want easy? I'm gonna take next to easy. And how many of you guys want difficult? Tick on difficult.
So first we'll do the easy one, we'll become confident, then we'll do the difficult one.
Okay, if you do the difficult one, you can do the easy one for sure. So it's more value for time. Let's see what you guys feel. So, easy or difficult? Okay, Adnan Sadia want easy. They have not prepared well for the quiz. Muniba wants in between. She wants little tough. Hifza also wants little tough. Okay, what about the rest? Anil auntie, Nahid auntie, Safa. Okay, everyone wants easy. What I'll do, I'll help you with a little bit of quick practice. Okay, and I'll give you few clues, few tricks for the quiz, which should make it easy for you, inshallah. So that's what I'll do first, very quick. You guys should have already prepared since you had the material from 1 week back, but I'll help you with quick revision, so you find the quiz easy, inshallah. Let me clear the notes. Okay. Quick recap of what we saw yesterday. What is Waladu Azara?
Azar, son of Azar.
The son of Azar. Azar is definite. Waladu has to be Waladu because it is before of. It cannot be Waladun, it cannot be Al Waladu. Because Azar is definite, it is one person, you'd make it the son of Azar. Azar is a non-Arab name. When we have a non-Arab name, or when we have a female name, we will not have kasra and we will not have the double vowel. We will not have wala, we will not have azarun, we will not have azari, we will not have azarin. Okay, so where we have kasra, for example, after of or after fi, min, ma'a, in the, we should have kasra, but for these set of words, which is non-Arab names or female names, we will have fatha. Muhammadun Tabibun, Muhammad is a doctor. If I had to say the same thing with Khadija, let me mute everyone. There's a little bit of disturbance. Okay. So Muhammadun Tabibun, Muhammad is a doctor. If I had to say the same with Khadija, Tabibun would be Tabibatun because it is female doctor. On the other hand, Khadija cannot have Khadijatun. It would be Khadijatu because it cannot have double vowel. It will be Khadijatu Tabibatu. Same way, if I had to say the son of Khadija, I'll have Waladu, Waladu is son. But instead of Khadijati or Khadijatin, I will have Khadijata. The fatha would be used and not the kasra. Coming to the story, we had Kana The first part is Ba'i'ul Asnami. The the seller of the idols. Second part is Waladu Azara, the son of Azar. What about the son of Azar? Kana Azaru lahu waladun Rashid. Rashidun Jiddun. Rashid is intelligent. Lahu means belongs to him or he had because of Kana. Kana would make it he had or he used to have. Laka would be you have. Ladayya or li would be I have. Kana azaru lahu waladun Rashidun. Rashidun Jiddun. Jiddun means very. It always stays Jiddun. It's an adjective, but it will not become Jiddun. Although Jiddun is used to describe Rashidun, but it will not become Jiddun. It always stays Jiddun. Next, Kana ismu hadal waladi Ibrahim. Kana ismu hadal waladi Ibrahim. Ismu hadal waladi. Ismul waladi. Ismul waladi. Ismu is before the of. So it will become ism of the walad. Okay, if I leave out the hada, ismul waladi would be the ism or the name of the walad or the name of the boy. When I put hada before waladi, hada is another word like Jiddan, it will not change. Okay, so it has to be ismu. After of, we should have kasra, like waladi has kasra, but hada will never change. Hada always stays hada. The waladi is after of, along with hada. Hada will not change, the waladi will have kasra. So ismul waladi would be name of the boy. Ismu hadal waladi would be name of this boy. Kana ismu hadal waladi Ibrahim. Ibrahim is the detail. It will have fatha. Kana ismu hadal waladi Ibrahim. Ismu hadal waladi, the boy's name or name of the boy. Ra'a means he saw. Yara is present tense. It means he sees. Ra'a, yara. Yara, clue is it starts with the ya. So when it starts with the ya, there are chances that it has to be present tense. It has to be the he form. Yara is he. Tara is she. He sees yara. She sees tara. Now, how do I say she saw? Ra'a is he saw. How do I say she saw? Ra'a is he saw. How do I say she saw? This is past tense. Past tense, think of a car. It's past. So you're going to see the car which has already gone, or you're going to see the car coming to you.
Ra'at.
Ra'at, very good. So past tense is a car which has already gone. You're going to see the back of the car. You're going to change the back of the verb. And the rule for feminine, for third person, for here, is going to be that you're going to add a ta at the end. So it's going to be ra'at. Okay. Ra'a is a weak verb because of two letters, the alif and the ya. Where it is easy in pronunciation, we will skip letters. Okay. So it has to be ra'at, but I'll skip this alif and I'll make it ra'at. I'll skip this ya because it makes the pronunciation very difficult. And I can do this for the alif. I can do this for the ya. Let me come here. Okay, so this makes pronunciation very difficult. What I'm going to do, I'm going to skip this alif and I'm going to make it ra'at. Ra'at is she saw. Good, Shazia. So ra'a, he saw. Yara, he sees. Tara, she sees. Feminine present tense, I would change the starting. I would change the ya into a ta. Past tense, I have to change the back. I would add a ta here with a sukun. So it will become ra'at. Kana Ibrahimu yaran nasa يسجدون للأصنام ويرى الناس يعبدون الأصنام. This is sajada yasjudu. Did sajda, he does sajda, and this is abada yabudu. He did ibadat or he prayed. Yabudu is he prays. Past and present tense. Abada yabudu. I see some disturbance again. Let me mute everyone. Okay. Now, so far is about what Ibrahim alayhi salam sees and what he says further. Kana Ibrahimu ya'rifu anna al-asnama hijara. Kana Ibrahimu ya'rifu anna al-asnama hijara. Ya'rifu comes from arafa. Arafa means he knew or he understood. Ya'rifu is present tense, it means he knows. Arafa, he knew, past tense. Ya'rifu, he knows, present tense. Ibrahim alayhi salam knew Annal Asnama. Anna is that. It is sister of Inna. After Anna, the object of Anna will have fatha, or the noun of Anna will have fatha. So it should ideally be Asnamu. Jarif, the idols were stone, but because of Anna, it will change it to fatha. Annal Asnama Hijara. What is Hijara?
Stone.
Stones, very good. Annal Asnama Hijara. Hijara means stones. He knew that the idols were stones. Black stone of Makkah, this would be Al-Hajaru Al-Aswadu, the black stone. Al-Hajaru Al-Aswadu. Al-Aswadu is the adjective. Al-Hajaru Al-Aswadu, the black stone. All of this, if used, would be together the subject. Al-Hajaru Al-Aswadu, the black stone. وكان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تتكلم ولا تسمع. Plural in Arabic, al-asnama is many idols. Idols is non-human plural. For grammar purpose, we would treat it as she. Takallama would be he spoke. Yatakallamu is present tense. He speaks. She speaks is tatakallamu. I use tatakallamu because al-asnama is non-human plural. Al-asnama is non-human plural. It means idols are not human. So I will use the tatakallamu form. She speaks. Annal asnama la tatakallamu. Grammar purpose, you would treat it as she speaks. By meaning, it means they speak. Annal asnama la tatakallamu. They do not speak. Wala tasma. What is tasma?
Here.
Hear. They do not speak and they do not hear. Ibrahim alayhi salam knew that the idols do not speak. La tatakallamu wala tasma. And they do not hear or they do not listen. وكان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تضر ولا تنفع. كان يعرف أن الأصنام لا تضر ولا تنفع. Tanfa means benefit. To give something like a gift, to give something of benefit. It comes from nafa'a. Think about faida or faida. Okay. Nafa'a is he did benefit. Yanfa'u, the present tense, is he gives benefit or he does something of benefit. Tanfa'u is she. She gives something of benefit. Darra is the opposite. Darra is he harmed. Yadurru is he harms. Here we use the feminine form. We use tadurru and tanfa'u. Darra, he harmed. Yadurru, he harms. Nafa'a, he benefited someone. Yanfa'u, he benefits someone. Wakana yara anna tubaba. Atubaba is the fly. Kana yara, and he used to see anna tubaba yajlisu alal asnami fala tadfa. Kana yara anna tubaba yajlisu alal asnami fala tadfa. Adubaba is the fly. Yajlisu comes from jalasa. Jalasa means he sat. Yajlisu is he sits. Here we are talking about Adubaba. Adubaba is the fly. It is masculine. Fly is not feminine. No tamarbuta. In this case, it is masculine. So we use Yajlisu. So Yajlisu refers to Adubaba. He used to see that the fly sits alal asnami, on the asnam, on the idols, fala tadfa. Tadfa comes from dafa'a yadfa'u. Think about dafa'hana. Okay, so dafa'hana means to go away. Tadfa'u means shoo it away. Dafa'a, he shooed it away or he sent it away. Yadfa'u, he sends it away. Dafa'a past tense, yadfa'u present tense. Wakana yara anna tubaba yajlisu alal asnami fala tadfa. Next, Wakana yaral fa'ra. This is descriptive, this is visual. Okay, he sees the fly sitting on the idols, and the idols can't do anything. The idols are just there, and they cannot prevent the fly, which is sitting on the idols. We get irritated when a fly comes and sits on us, but the idols can't do anything about it. We don't like a rat coming to our homes and eating our food. But what happens with the idols? وَكَانَ يَرَى الْفَأْرَ يَأْكُلُ طَعَامَ الْأَصْنَامِ فَلَا تَمْنَعْ. Ya'kulu comes from akala, which we've already seen. Akala is he ate. It starts with a hamza, but this is a past tense verb which starts with hamza. Okay, akala. One clue is that there's no dhamma at the end. Akala, when you have akala, dahaba, fataha, anzala, arsala. When you have all fathas, it's most likely a past tense verb. It's not likely a present tense verb. Akala is he ate. Yakulu is he eats. Okay, akala yakulu. Yaral fara, he sees the rat. Yakulu, the rat eating. He used to see the rat eating, or the rat eats. Here will be he used to see the rat eating. Question to you. We have akala, and this is something which I'm telling you for the quiz to make it easy to you to answer the quiz. I have yakulu. What is yakulu?
Eats. He eats.
He eats. Yakulu is he eats. How do I say I eat?
Akulu.
Akulu. So it has to be akulu. Okay, akulu. Difficult to pronounce. And it has a hamza. Hamza is a weak letter. We can change it. Okay, it's changed based on what the Arabs think and how It makes pronunciation easy. With the first person, with I, with ana, because this is a weak letter, because Hamza is a weak letter, I would take this off and I will make it akulu. Okay, yakulu is he eats. In this case, the rat eats. I'm talking about the rat. The rat is some third person. So I use yakulu. If I eat or I am eating, present tense, it has to start with a hamza. I'd say akulu. I'd combine these two hamzas to say akulu is I eat or I am eating. That is akulu. So akala, yakulu. Yakulu he eats, akulu, I eat. Kana yaral fa'ra, yakulu, ta'am al-asnami, ta'am, food, al-asnami, of the asnam, of the idols. Kana yaral fa'ra, yakulu, ta'am al-asnami, fala tamna. What is tamna? It comes from mana'a. Mana'a means something past tense. Yamna'u means something present tense. What is tamna'u?
Prevent.
Prevent. Okay, mana karna. Think about mana karna. Here we saw dafa karna. Dafa'a yadfa'u, to shoo away, to send away. Here we are saying mana karna. Mana, he denied or he prevented. Yamna'u, he prevents. Tamna'u, she prevents. Here tamna'u refers to al-asnam, which is non-human plural. So I use the feminine form. I use the she form. So I use tamna. Okay, last two lines before we go to the quiz.
साहिब तामु को कहना नहीं साहिब तामा कई को आता सो
Ta'ama is food. This is before. This is the detail, Nahid aunty.
ओ
So
डिटेल है तो ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन पता हो जाता है
no. So if I say yakulu ta'amu, it would become the food sees. It would become the subject, Nahid aunty.
ओके ओके
So alfa ara yakulu. Typically in Arabic, you'll have the subject after the verb. So the rat, or he saw the rat eating what? This is the detail. If I use ta'amul asnami, this will become the subject of yakulu. So it will become the food of the idols ate. I cannot use the verb.
जी दस का लगा आई अंडरस्टैंड सर
Yeah. So it should ideally be ta'aman or al ta'ama, but because it is after of, it's because it is before of, the ta'aman would become ta'ama. Ta'am al-asnami is the detail. So ta'am would become ta'ama. Al-asnami is after of. So it has to be al-ta'ami. Sorry, al-asnami. Al-asnami is of the idols. Ta'am al-asnami. Ta'am is the detail. It has fatha. This has to have kasra. Al-asnami has to have kasra after of. So ta'am al-asnami, food of the idols. Next question. So this is what Ibrahim alayhi salam thinks. Ibrahim alayhi salam sees. He sees the fly, he sees the rat. And what does he think? وَكَانَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ يَقُولُ فِي نَفْسِهِ. Yaqulu comes from qala. Qala is he said. Yaqulu is he says. Kul is say. Qala yaqulu kul. We have qala. What is qala?
He said.
He said. Yaqulu,
He says.
he says. How do I say say? Say Kul huwa Allahu ahad.
Khul.
Kul. Okay. How do I get kul? I take yaqulu. I have to do two things. I make it second person. So Yakulu is he says. For masculine, I would say Takulu. Takulu is you say. I'd say Takulu. I would take off this ta. Ta is something I'm adding for second person. So I'll take off the ta. The last letter, I'd make it sukun. Okay, it would become ku ul. The waw is a weak letter. I take off the waw. Okay, this verb is a little difficult because it is qala. It has this alif or this waw which keeps changing. So qala does not become yaqala. It becomes yaqulu. It does not become yaqalu. It becomes yaqulu. The alif keeps changing. With another verb, let us take one of the verbs we've seen previously. Let us take mana. Okay, what is mana? He denied. Okay, yamnau. What is yamnau?
Nice.
He denies. Now, how do I say deny? So prevent anyone from coming in. Okay, don't allow anyone to come in. So I'd say prevent or stop. How do I say stop? To a boy, to masculine form. I take yamnau. What would I do to yamnau?
Tamnau.
Very good. So I first make it, I'm saying to a boy. So I take it, a command is given to someone. It has to be second person. Like if I tell Adnan, study, prepare for the exam, Adnan. I'm telling to Adnan. Adnan is the person being spoken to. Okay. So if I tell Adnan, you study, it would be present tense. You study the Arabic language, you study science. I take the second person. So I take the yamnau and make it tamnau, which is present tense. It's still not command. Okay. So there's a difference between you study is present tense. You used to study. But when I say study, it's an order. Okay, I need to change. You study has to become study. It has to become an order. How do I do it? I first make it tamnau, which makes it like you study. I make it tamnau, and then what do I do? I need to do two things.
Remove ta.
Remove off the ta. Okay, I remove off the ta. And what's the second thing I need to do?
The ain should be sukun.
The last I take up the dhamma, I make it sukun. Very good. Now it becomes na a.
Yeah.
Okay, it becomes na. So I add a connecting alif and I put a kasra. This alif, almost all cases it will have a kasra. If the third letter, that is the letter after the sukun doesn't have any harakat. So I look at the next letter. If it is fatha or kasra, I put kasra. Only if it is dhamma, like yakulu. Okay, yakulu. In fact, I do not put anything on the alif. Let me give you another. Let me give you one more example. Let me.
So
give
what
you
does this become, sir? Imna or amna?
Imna. There's no amna.
Okay.
There's only either kasra or dhamma. Let me give you one example with dhamma. Nasara is he helped. Nasara is he helped. Yan suru. Like here, it becomes mana yam na'u. It has fatha. Here, nasara becomes yan suru. Why? Because the Arab said it has to be yan suru. Okay, they said, look, yan saru doesn't sound nice. It has to be yan suru. So we'll take it. It has to be yan suru. Yan suru is he helps. Now, to make it command, help. If I tell Sadia, help Adnan, make him study properly. I take yan suru. I'd make it tan suru. What should I do next? How do I tan suru is you help, present tense. You used to help. You help poor people. But if I say help, go now and help the poor people. How do I convert this and say help?
Remove ta.
Remove ta.
Add alif.
Add Hamza.
Yeah, Hamza.
Remove the, I add a Hamza.
And put Dhamma for that.
I put Dhamma. Why? Because the Sod third letter has Dhamma. Okay, so where it has Dhamma, I'll keep Dhamma, but where it is Fatha or Kasra, here I'll make it Unsur. Unsur means you help or simply help. If I tell a boy, if I tell Adnan, help your mother, I'd say Unsur Ummi or Ummuka. Ummuka is your mother. So I'd say Unsur Ummuka ya Adnan would be help your mother Adnan. Okay, I'd say Unsur. Here, Yamna'u has Fatha. I'd not say Amnar. Amna is wrong. I'd say Imna. Imna is prevent or deny. This is how you make the imperative. This is how you give a command or order or request. You take off the starting letter, which in second person masculine is ta. I take off the ta and make the ending sukun. Based on the need, I might add a connecting hamza at the starting. Okay. So that's command. Fakana yaral fa'ra yakulu ta'amal asnami fala tamna. And they cannot do mana. They cannot prevent it. The rat comes, eats the food of the idol, and goes away. وكان إبراهيم يقول في نفسه. Ibrahim used to say in himself or to himself. So he's seen all of this. What does he say to himself? لماذا يسجد الناس للأصنام. What is لماذا?
Why?
Why? Mada is what? Li mada is for what or why. For what or why? Yasjudun nasu, the people prostrate or do sajda to. Limata yasjudun nasu, why do the nas, the people, do sajda to lil asna. Li is for or to, lil asna to the idols. So what does Ibrahim alayhi salam say to himself? Why do people prostrate to idols? Kana Ibrahimu yas'alu nafsahu. Kana Ibrahimu yas'alu nafsahu. What is yas'alu?
He asked.
He asks. Sa'ala is he asked. It has Hamza in the middle, but Sa'ala. Sa'ala is like dafa'a. It is like mana'a. It is like nazala. It is like samia. It is like tatakallama. Okay, so this is past tense. Yas'alu is he asks. Here it is Ibrahim alayhi salam. Masculine single person. I'd say yas'alu. Ibrahim alayhi salam asked himself before he said to himself. Yaqulu fi nafsi. Here it is yas'alu nafsahu. What does he ask himself? Limada yas'alun nasu al asnama. Why do annas, the people, ask the idols? So you've seen all of this. You've seen the fly, the rat. He asks himself, why do people ask to the idols? Very easy chapter. Hardly 6-8 verbs, and all of them very easy. Why do people ask idols? So with that, hopefully, now your quiz is going to be very easy, inshallah. Okay, so Zahan has learned to type Arabic. You've prepared for tomorrow's half-yearly exam, Zahan?
Yes, I'm prepared.
Okay, Zahan is writing a lot of exams. He's writing a test today, half-yearly exams tomorrow. All the best, Zahan. Okay, we only have 6 people. We are still waiting for a lot of more people. We still need Safa. We still need Afifa if you're in the class. We still need Anil Aunty. Sidra is here. I do not see you on the quiz, Sidra. Okay, guys, quickly
Yeah,
join.
just 2 minutes.
Okay, quickly. I do not see Nahid auntie. Okay, Nahid auntie is there. Okay, Safa is also in. I think they're only missing Sidra.
Bhaiya, I just joined.
Okay, you're also in. Are we missing anyone? I don't think they're missing anyone.
There are 11 people.
No, correctly.
11 people. Okay, let us start. 18 questions, okay? So it's going to, you need to be quick. Let us try to wrap up quickly. It's a pretty long quiz today. So I am watching TV. How do I say I am watching TV? Present tense. Blue ara at-tilfaza. Red tara at-tilfaza. Green yara at-tilfaza. Orange ra'a at-tilfaza. I am watching TV. Blue ara at-tilfaza. Red tara at-tilfaza. Green yara at-tilfaza. Orange ra'a at-tilfaza. Pay attention to I and pay attention to watching, which is present tense. Thirty seconds to go. Blue is ara at-tilfaza. Red is tara at-tilfaza. Green is yara at-tilfaza. Orange is ra'a at-tilfaza. 15 seconds to go. Time is running out. Ten seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. One person, you need to mark the answer now. Okay, we only got 10 answers. Ara at-tilfaza is the correct answer. Orange is ra'a. Ra'a is past tense.
Uncle, over here the difference is that ara means I am, and in ra'a there is no ar. And ar means I am.
Yes. So present tense. Present tense. First person. When I speak I am watching TV. I am preventing. I am eating. Okay. All of them will start with a. Present tense. Ra'a. Let me go to ra'a. Okay, ra, I think we saw it earlier. So ra'a is past tense. It is the base form of the verb ra'a. Yara is he sees. Okay, yara is he sees. To make present tense, I take the yara and I modify it. I take the ya out and add a a. Just like I take yakulu, I take out the ya, add a hamza and then make it akulu. Yakulu is he speaks. Akulu is I speak or I say. Okay. So present tense, first person starts with a. Ra is the base form. It is the root form. It refers to he past tense. So when I speak about ra'a, akala, qala, mana'a, nasara, all of these are past tense. So if you marked ra'a, it is past tense. It's not present tense. Here I'm talking about I am watching TV.
Sakib Chacha, I marked the right answer. It was still loading and it said wrong.
Okay, so you did not attend yesterday's class, Zahas. That's why. You should attend all of the classes. Tahoot is angry with you. Okay, quite a few people correct. I have tough questions for you, okay? So don't worry about the time. Try to get the answers correct. I'm sure someone somewhere will make at least one mistake. That's what I'm hoping for. 2. He was watching TV. How do we say he was watching TV? Pay attention to he and was watching. Was watching, past tense, he used to do something habitually. Blue kana yara at-tilfaza. Red, ra'a at-tilfaza. Green, kana tara at-tilfaza. Orange, kana ara at-tilfaza. He was watching TV. He was watching TV when I went to his house. He was watching TV. Blue, kana yara at-tilfaza. Red, ra'a at-tilfaza. Green, kana tara at-tilfaza. Orange, kana ara at-tilfaza. How to say? He was watching TV. He was watching TV, and I went to his place, and I also watched TV with him. He was watching TV. He was watching TV. Blue is kana yara at-tilfaza. Red is ra'a at-tilfaza. Green, kana tara at-tilfaza. Orange, kana ara at-tilfaza. Time's running out, guys. 10 seconds to go. You need to be quick. You need to mark some answer. 5 seconds to go. 1 second to go. Okay, we only have 8 answers this time. Are the questions so difficult that people are leaving and quitting the quiz because I scared you guys too much? What's the difference between kana yara at-tilfaza and ra'a at-tilfaza?
Ra means he watched.
He watched TV.
Sakib Chacha, something has happened to my Kahoot.
You
I
are
marked the
not.
right answer. It shows wrong. The mark shows wrong, and it shows plus 629.
So you are not regular to the class, Zahan. That's why. The
No,
moment
but
you
it does
become
not
regular to
mean-
the class,
That it is wrong, and I still get the point.
you're playing games with the class, and Kahoot is playing games with you. It's okay. You should be happy that Kahoot even gave you the 629. So you should give us all a party. Blue, kana yara at-tilfaza is he was watching TV. Ra at-tilfaza is he watched TV. With the story that we are seeing, with the story that we have learned, do we see Ibrahim alayhis salam used to see the people worshipping idols? He used to see the fly sitting on the idols. He used to see the rat eating the food of the idols. Or is it the simple past? Is it that he saw this, he saw that? Which form is being used?
Used to see.
He used to see. Okay, so we're seeing this form where yara at-tilfaza is he's seeing TV. Yara at-tilfaza, like the first one is I am watching TV. That was ara at-tilfaza. I'm watching TV. Yara at-tilfaza would be he is watching TV. Kana yara at-tilfaza would be he was watching TV. Blue is the correct answer. If you marked right, you missed the watching. He was watching TV. It's something which has a duration. It's something which is continuous. You have to use the kana followed by the present tense. This is the form. Correct answer is blue. Only 4 people correct. Okay. So Rahil auntie got it wrong. Sadia, Shazia got it wrong. Let's see, you can catch up. Let me try to trap Nahid auntie Hifza somewhere in the later questions. Question 3. He watched the television. He watched or he saw the television. How do I say this? Easiest question. Easiest question in the whole quiz. I guarantee you. Blue. Kana ara at-tilfaza. Red, kana yara at-tilfaza. Let me mute. I see some disturbance. Okay. So blue is kana ara at-tilfaza.
Saqib, my Kahoot is not working, ba.
I think you need to reload the page, Janilat. I think you
Yeah,
start.
I'm marking, but ho raha nahi hai.
Okay. Let's try again, Anilati.
I have to get back.
Yes, I think I can reload the page. Let me say the answers. Blue is kana ara at-tilfaza. Red is kana yara at-tilfaza. Green, kana tara at-tilfaza. Orange, ra'a at-tilfaza. Easiest question, guys. You have to get this one correct. Blue, kana ara at-tilfaza. Red, kana yara at-tilfaza. Green, kana tara at-tilfaza. Orange, ra'a at-tilfaza. Okay. Only 4 correct. The rest of you, whoever got it wrong, are not paying attention. This was the wrong answer in the previous question. Ra'a at-tilfaza means he watched TV. Okay, this is where we explained this answer in detail. He watched the TV is the answer to the third question. Okay, so 5 of you, whoever got it wrong, you are not paying any attention. If you're paying attention to the first and the second question, you would have seen Ra'a, he saw, and you would have marked orange. Okay, 5 of you, you're not paying any attention to either the lesson or the quiz. Okay, Zahan is up. So Kahoot is becoming friends with Zahan. Hifza, I think, got it wrong. Let's see you catching up later, Hifza. Nahid Aunty is the one who managed to trap. Let's see if I can trap Nahid Aunty in one of my questions. Question 4, bonus question, double points. She or this is a very intelligent woman. She is a very intelligent woman, or this is a very intelligent woman. How do I say it? Blue, هذه امرأة رشيدة جد. This is جد. Red, هذه نساء رشيدة جدا. Green, هذه نساء رشيدة جد. Orange, هذه امرأة رشيدة جدا. The ending harakat might not be clear.
What is orange? Saqib, what is orange?
Blue and green have jiddun. Blue and orange have jiddun. Okay, blue is hadihi imra'atun rashidatun jiddun. Red, hadihi nisa'un rashidatun jiddan. Green, hadihi nisa'un rashidatun jiddun. Orange, hadihi imra'atun rashidatun jiddan. The right side has jiddun, the left side has jiddan. $20 to go, you need to be quick. She's a very-
Both Nisa and Imratun are correct.
No, only one of them is correct. 5 seconds to go. 2 seconds to go. Okay, I've trapped a lot of people with this question. Imra'atun is a woman. Okay, this is a very intelligent woman. This is one woman. Nisa, Suratul Nisa is surah of the woman. Okay, this is not woman. This is one woman. It has to be Imra'atun. Correct answer is orange.
Nisa'un means women.
Women, yes,
two,
plural.
three.
Many women.
And Imra'atun means one woman.
One woman.
One woman.
One woman, yes. WOMAN, woman. So it is woman, women. It would become V would be WOMEN. This is woman. This is Imra'atun. Correct answer orange. Okay, so I've tapped Rahil Aunty again. Zahan has gotten it correct. So Zahan has developed deep friendship with Kahoot. I'm not sure if his answers also are correct. I think it's just some.
My answers are correct.
Okay, I was thinking it's some Mumbai setting with Kahoot. Okay, let's go next question. Question 5. Bonus question, double points. Hadatha means it happened. The sentence which you need to translate. Ya'rifu ma hadatha li sadiqika fi Berlin. Ya'rifu ma hadatha li sadiqika fi Berlin. Blue, he knows what happened to my friend in Berlin. Right? He knew what happened to your friend in Berlin. Pay attention to Ya'rifu and Sadiqika. What is Ya'rifu and Sadiqika? Green, he knows what happened to your friend in Berlin. Orange, he knew what happened to my friend in Berlin. Ya'rifu ma hadatha. Hadatha is it happened. Li sadiqika fi Berlin. Blue, he knows what happened to my friend in Berlin. Red, he knew what happened to your friend in Berlin. Green, he knows what happened to your friend in Berlin. Orange, he knew what happened to my friend in Berlin. يعرف ما حدث لصديقك في برلين. You have time, guys. 35 seconds to go. Take your time. Think and mark the closest answer. "25 seconds to go. يعرف ما حدث لصديقك في برلين." Blue, he knows what happened to my friend. Red, he knew what happened to your friend. Green, he knows what happened to your friend. Orange, he knew what happened to my friend. 5 seconds to go. Time is running out. 1 second to go. Okay. Yarifu, Arafa is he knew. Yarifu is he knows. Sadiqika, Sadiq is friend. Sadiqika is your friend. Correct answer is green. Nahid auntie is still doing well. Nahid auntie is still first. All correct. Adnan is up.
Disconnected from that.
Okay, so 3191 Hifza. We'll add up your scores.
Okay.
Sadia hasn't revised lessons. Sadia is not revising lessons for quite some time. Sadia is not even in the top 5. Adnan strangely has revised the lesson. And he attended yesterday's class. So Adnan is doing better than Sadia. 6. أتكلم مع أصدقائي. أتكلم مع أصدقائي. What does this translate to? Blue, she spoke to my friends. Red, she speaks to my friends. Green, I spoke to my friends. Orange, I speak to my friends. أتكلم مع أصدقائي. Blue, she speaks to my friends. Red, she speaks to my friends. Green, I spoke to my friends. Orange, I speak to my friends. أتكلم مع أصدقائي. "35 seconds to go. أتكلم مع أصدقائي." Pay attention to أتكلم and أصدقائي, especially the last year. 20 seconds to go. Ten seconds to go. 3 seconds to go. Mark the answer quickly. Okay. أتكلم is I speak. مع أصدقائي. أصدقائي is my friends. أصدقاء is friends. أصدقائي is friends of mine or my friends. Correct answer is orange. I spoke. I spoke is a form which we have not seen, guys. I spoke. تكلم. Yes, Zahan.
Can it be Ana Atakallamu Ma Sadiqina?
Yes, Ana Atakallamu is also fine. Atakallamu is Ana because of the starting Hamza. I spoke is a form which I've not taught you till now. I spoke would be past tense. I would take takallama. Okay, takallama is he spoke. Takallamat is she spoke. I spoke is takallamtu. Okay, I spoke is something I've not taught you so far. So if you're saying green, what you should have done is try to make a sentence saying I spoke with my friends. You would have found that, look, it's not going to be this, it's going to be something else. So green is not the answer. Green is something which I've not taught you so far. Correct answer is orange. Okay, Zahan got this wrong. Hifza's down. Sadia not catching up. Oh, Zahan got it right. Very good.
Was a little late.
Okay, so I do not see Shazia, I do not see Sadia. They are the ones not in form, not in top 5 today. Question 7. Bonus questions, double points, tricky question. This is the daughter of Fatima. This is the daughter of Fatima. How would I say this? Blue, هذه بنت فاطمة. Red, هذه بنت فاطمة. Green, هذه والدة فاطمة. Orange, هذه والدة فاطمة. This is the daughter of Fatima. Blue, هذه بنت فاطمة. Red, هذه بنت فاطمة. Green, هذه والدة فاطمة. Orange, هذه والدة فاطمة. 40 seconds to go. Seconds to go. Let me go through the answers again quickly. This is the daughter of Fatima. Blue, هذه بنت فاطمة. Red, هذه بنت فاطمة. Green, هذه والدة فاطمة. Orange, هذه والدة فاطمة. 10 seconds to go. Time is running out. 5 seconds to go. Only 3 seconds to go. We're waiting one answer. Okay, we got all answers. هذه بنت فاطمة. Fatima is a female name. Although it is after of, it does not take kasra. So think about Fatima, think about Azara, think about Ibrahima. It does not take kasra. Blue is wrong because it has kasra. It has to be Fatimata. Okay, Nahid auntie is again staying strong. Muniba is up. Adnan is down.
My answer, I marked it right, but I still got it wrong.
Your setting is not working forever, Zahan. Okay, question 8. Aisha is a teacher. How do we say Aisha is a teacher? Think in lines of the previous question. What's the rule for Aisha? Blue, Aishatu mudarrisatun. Red, Aishatun al-mudarrisatu. Green, Aishatun mudarrisatun. Orange, Aishatu al-mudarrisatu. Aisha is a teacher. Blue, Aishatu mudarrisatun. Red, Aishatun al-mudarrisatu. Green, Aishatun mudarrisatun. Orange, Aishatu al-mudarrisatu. Aisha is a teacher. Think about the rule for feminine names. Aisha is a teacher. What's the rule for feminine names? 20 seconds to go. Blue is Aishatu mudarrisatun. Red, Aishatun al-mudarrisatu. Green, Aishatun mudarrisatun. Orange, Aishatu al-mudarrisatu. 5 seconds to go, guys. You do not have time left. Aishatu mudarrisatun. Aisha is a teacher. If I say Aishatu al-mudarrisatu, it would become the teacher Aisha. Okay, it would become teacher Aisha. For example, teacher Aisha stays next to me. Okay, this is a teacher Aisha. It's not the student Aisha. It's not the doctor Aisha. It's the Aisha who's the teacher stays next to me. If I say Aishatu al-mudarrisatu, okay, it would be the teacher Aisha, which is one answer. But if I say Aisha is a teacher, I need to have a break. So I'll say Aishatu, which is definite, and a teacher. I'd have a break. I'll have mudarrisatun. Aisha is a teacher. Question 9. The name of that boy is Umar. Or make it the name of this boy is Umar. Okay. The name of this boy is Umar. Close to you. How do you say it? The name of this boy is Umar. Blue. Ismu hadal waladu Umaran. Red. Ismul waladi Umarun. Green. Ismu hadal waladu Umarun. Orange. Ismu hadal waladi Umarun. Chances are clues, so pay attention. Blue is Ismu Hadal Waladu Umaran. Right? Ismu Hadal Waladi Umarun. Green Ismu Hadal Waladu Umarun. Orange Ismu Hadal Waladi Umarun.
Saqib Chacha, should I make that this?
Yeah, make it this. Name of this boy is Umar. The question is the name of this boy is Umar.
Saqib Chacha, I got logged out.
Your setting with Kahoot does not work forever, Zahan. I'm going to...
I've come back. I've come back.
Okay. 10 seconds to go. Time's running out, guys. 5 seconds to go. Okay, only 10 answers this time. Ismu Hadal Waladi Umarun. So Ismul Waladi is name of the boy. Name of this boy. This boy would be Hada Al Waladi. Remember, previous sentence, the previous question, I'd say the teacher Aisha. I would say Aishatu Al Mudarisatu. Okay. Here it is Hadal Waladi. This boy. Name of the boy would be Ismul Waladi. Name of this boy would be Ismu Hadal Waladi. Ismu Hadal Waladi Umarun. Okay, the name of this boy is Umar. Answer is not green. Why would it be Hadal Waladu? Name of the boy. After of, if you mark green, green has Hadal Waladu. There's no of in green. Green is in fact wrong because I have Ismu Hada Al Waladu. I have two subjects. I cannot have this sentence with two subjects. The subject is Ismu Hadal Waladi, name of this boy. What is the name of this boy? It is Umar. Umar. Like we have Aishatu Tabibatun or Aishatu Mudarrisatun. Aisha is a teacher. We have Ismu Umarun. The name is Umar, but name of what? Ismu Hadal Waladi. Name of this boy, all of this is the subject, is Umar. Only two correct. I've trapped a lot of people. Okay, I've trapped Nahid Aunty also this time. Ismu Hadal Waladi Umarun. Okay, I noticed we are running out of time. Does anyone have to leave? If 2 or 3 people have to leave, we'll stop the quiz. We'll continue next class. But if all of you are okay, then we'll continue and we'll do some more questions for 10 minutes, inshallah.
I'm okay.
Okay, anyone who's not okay? Anyone who needs to leave? Anyone who's super hungry? Anyone whom I have stressed you out so much? And in college, I used to have these exams. Okay, I used to have these exams where 3 hours and 80% of, so 80 marks out of 100 will be outside the book. Okay, you will come feverish and sweating, and all you will want to do is have lunch and sleep. So I've had those exams in college. Anyone who's felt that way for this quiz?
No.
No. So it's easy quiz, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So we'll do 10 more minutes. Question 10. This is a black stone. Okay, this is a black stone. Think about Aishatu Mudarrisatun. Think about Ismu Hadal Waladi Umarun. Think of the past 2 questions. This is a black stone. A black stone. How would you say this? Lu Hada Hajarun Aswadu. Okay, what happened? Okay, I do not know why Kahoot skipped the question. This is a black stone. I'll give you the answer anyway.
I just marked it and
Okay, so it's Zahan. Zahan, you are... Every time you mess with Kahoot, we face this issue where only you get the correct answer. You did this in the past where we couldn't see any answer. Okay.
but I haven't hacked anything. I only marked the answer and it automatically skipped.
So Zahan has hacked the quiz. Let's see if we can continue hacking the quiz. This is a black stone. A black stone. Okay. A stone is Hajarun. A black stone, Al Aswadu. Al Aswadu doesn't change. Okay. It does not become Aswadun. It does not become Al Aswadu. Okay. It is.
Saqib, you didn't answer before that. It has answered. What would
How I know Nainati? This is Zahan's hacking of Kahoot.
I haven't done anything.
Okay, no problem, Zahan. I think you got lucky. We'll give you some bonus marks for marking blue. So,
You can
Hada,
subtract these marks.
no, it's okay. Don't worry. We'll give you bonus marks. Hada Hajarun Hajarun Aswadu. Now, Aswadu is indefinite. It only has one dhamma. Okay. So al-hajaru al-aswadu. Hada hajarun. Aswadu. Aswadu is adjective to hajarun. So hada hajarun, this is a stone. Hada hajarun aswadu. It will not be aswadun. It has to be aswadu. It becomes black stone. This is a stone. This is a black stone. Hajarun aswadu or black stone. That's what it means. So nizahanism. So Rahil aunty will have some catching up to do with you. 11. Bonus question, double points. I know that exercising is a beneficial hobby. Okay. You need to focus on I know that exercising is what you need to focus on. Is a beneficial hobby is the next part of the sentence. It is hiwayatun, mufidatun. Focus on the first three words. I know that exercising is what you need to focus on. Is a beneficial hobby is the same across answers. Lu tarifu anna riyadati. Our riyada is exercise. Okay. Tarifu anna riyadati hiwayatun mufidatun. Right? Arafa anna riyadati hiwayatun mufidatun. Green. Arifu anna riyadata hiwayatun mufidatun. Orange. Arafa anna riyadatu hiwayatun mufidatun. Focus on I know that exercising. How do I say I know that exercise is something? Okay, I know something about exercising. How do you say it? Lu tarifu anna riyadati. Red. Arafa anna riyadati. Green. Arifu anna riyadata. Orange. Arafa anna riyadatu. I know that exercising.
I think only 10 people are answering.
Sometimes 11th person also pops up. 15 seconds to go. I know that exercising. You're waiting for one more answer. Okay, see, and then we have the 11th person also answering. Okay, Arifu is I know. Arifu is the correct answer. So Arifu Anna. After Anna, you'll have Fatha. So that's why it's Arifu Anna Riyadata. I know that exercising. Arifu Anna Riyadata. Okay, now Sadia finally is up. Hifza has been busy. She's not been attending classes. Shazia, strangely, is not in top 5. Shazia is not in form today. Someone has troubled Shazia a lot, and she is not in top 5. Question 12.
Why are you giving all easy questions?
Concentrating.
Quiz number 2, not concentrating. Okay. Double points. Try to concentrate for this one. The men are sitting outside. Okay. Fil Kharij is outside. How do we say the men are sitting? Double point question, guys. Pay attention. Lu ar-rajulu jalisuna fil khariji. Red. An-nasu jalisun fil khariji. Green. An-nasu jalisatun fil khariji. Orange. Ar-rijalu jalisuna fil khariji. The men are sitting outside.
What's the difference between blue and yellow?
So blue is ar-rajulu. Okay. Orange is ar-rijalu. Ar-rajulu, ar-rijalu. The men are sitting outside. Sitting outside is fil khariji. Outside is fil khariji. Okay. Fil khariji means outside. Kharaja is he went out. Fil khariji is in outside or outside. Blue is ar-rajulu jalisuna. Red. An-nasu jalisun. Green. An-nasu jalisatun. Orange. Ar-rijalu jalisuna. The men are sitting outside. Focus on the men are sitting. Blue. Ar-rajulu jalisuna. Red. An-nasu jalisun. Green. An-nasu jalisatun. Orange. Ar-rijalu jalisuna. 10 seconds to go. Time is running out. 5 seconds to go. There's no time left. 1 second to go. Okay. It is ar-rijalu. Ar-rajulu is the man. Ar-rijalu is the men.
The men.
The men. Jalisuna. Jalisun is sitting one person. Jalisuna, like Muslimuna. Okay. Like Salihuna. We have Jalisuna. Ar-rijalu Jalisuna. The men are sitting outside. Correct answer is orange. Anil aunty is up. Sadia is again out of form. Not preparing. Not.
Sahav, I'll have to reload. It's not working. It's
Okay.
the screen.
Note down your score, Adnan. Note down your score and reload.
My score is 9,999.
See, again, setting Zahan. We've never had someone getting 4-digit same score before. Maybe it's your Arabic name. Maybe you should keep using Arabic Zahan in the next classes. Let's see if it works. And let's see if you come second or if Rahil aunty beats you. Question 13. Bonus question, double points. Shoo away the fly. Shoo the fly to a boy. Okay. So if I had to say, Zahan, go shoo away the fly, how would I say it? Blue, adfa'u ad-dubaba. Red, dafa'a ad-dubaba. Green, idfa'id dubaba. Orange, yadfa'ud dubaba. Shoo away the fly. Shoo away the fly, Zahan or Adnan. Only 2 boys in the class. So if I tell any of them, shoo away the fly, how would I say it? Blue, adfa'ud dubaba. Red, dafa'ad dubaba. Green, idfa'id dubaba. Orange, yadfa'ud dubaba. Ad-dubaba is a detail, it stays the same. How would I say shoo away the fly? Blue is adfa'u. Red is dafa'a. Green is idfa. Orange is yadfa'u. "45 seconds to go. We are waiting for one answer. Let me give you more 20 seconds. Otherwise, we'll skip because we are running out of time. 20 seconds more. I stop when we reach 20. Okay. This is nice. So I've trapped everyone except one person. It is idfa. It is not dafa'a. Dafa'a is he shoot the fly. That is dafa'a.
Sakib bhaiya, yadfa'u
I
can
want
be
the right
correct,
answer,
Sakib bhaiya.
Sakib Chacha. This is cheating now.
You need to attend all of the classes regularly. So dafa'a
I think
is.
so. There's some virus in my phone, in my
No,
computer.
virus in the phone doesn't do all of this. Kana yara anna tubaba yajlisu alal asnami fala tadfa. Okay. So dafa'a is he shoot. Yadfa'u is he shoes. Here we are saying shoe. I would take yadfa'u, make it tadfa'u, remove the ta, okay, add hamza and put sukun. So tadfa'u would become idfa. Idfa is shoe. Adfa'u, which is blue, which is again only one person, is I shoe the fly. But idfa is you shoe or shoe the fly. Answer is green. Nice. I like my questions. So everyone is trapped except one person and Zahan, who claims to have the correct answer.
I
Okay.
have got the correct answer, Sahib.
Okay, so only Nahid aunty got it correct. So Zahan, your score is matched. Okay. Previous one question, Kahoot unnecessarily gave you points. This question, Kahoot has taken away points. But I think Zahan, it's your Arabic name. So I think Kahoot is finding it difficult to match points against your name. So I think you should use English letters. I think it's the Arabic letters and the symbols which is making it complex, is what I think. Okay, 14. Bonus question, double points. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast with my family. I eat breakfast. I've already told you as part of the class what it was. So let's see who has paid attention. I eat breakfast with my family. Blue, yakulu al-fatura ma'a usrati. Right? Akala al-fatura ma'a usrati. Green, kul al-fatura ma'a usratuka. Orange, akulu al-fatura ma'a usrati. Blue, ya'kulu al-fatura ma'a usrati. Red, akala al-fatura ma'a usrati. Green, kul al-fatura ma'a usratuka. Orange, akulu al-fatura ma'a usrati. For orange, add a gap between ma'a and usrati. They are two separate words. Good.
Kahoot has kicked me out.
Very good, Zahan. Use English name.
No, I've come back.
Okay, Zahan is back. Let's see who comes second. So Nahid Aunty looks like she's first. So I think it's second, third, fourth, fifth at this competition.
Kahoot is behaving like a teacher.
Yes.
She'll kick the student outside, then she'll pull her.
Yep. So Kahoot has kicked you out. So Kahoot has done yadfa'u. Yadfa'u is he should. Okay. Akala al-fatura ma'a usrati. Correct answer is this. Akala is he ate. Okay. It's not he ate. It is I eat. It is akalu. Okay. So Nahid Aunty, Zahan, Rahil Aunty correct. 15. Translate وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَعُونَ. وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَعُونَ. This is Suratul Ma'un. Last ayah, I think this is from the last about 6th surah in the Quran. وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَعُونَ. Al-Ma'un means small kindness. Okay, so small deeds of kindness, small help is Al-Ma'un. What you need to translate is وَيَمْنَعُونَ. In particular, yamnauna. What is yamnauna? You and you all deny simple kindness, right? And he denies simple kindness. Green, and he denied simple kindness. Orange, and they deny simple kindness. Al-ma'una is detail. It is simple kindness. Blue is you all deny. You need to translate yamna'una. Blue is you all deny. Red, he denies. Green, he denied. Orange, they deny. "40 seconds to go, but I think you can make it quick. Let me stop at 20, okay? So we are now at 35, 15 more seconds, and I will stop because we are running out of time. وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَعُونَ. يَمْنَعُونَ الْمَعُونَ. What is yamna'una? Okay, I'm going to give you 5 more seconds and I'm going to skip the question. So whoever hasn't marked, please mark the answer quickly. And we'll see the standings. Okay, I'm going to skip. Okay, we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, only 9 answers, and they deny simple kindness. Correct answer is orange.
Why Saqib orange, not blue?
Blue is you deny.
Again, it's
You all, Saqib, you all.
Yes, Nahid Aunty, but
No, plural, no.
plural is yamna'una, Nahid Aunty, they deny. So we take mana'a. Okay, I finally trapped Nahid Aunty.
Sahib,
So-
no, Sahib, you all means what, Sahib?
No, so mana'a, Nahid Aunty. Mana'a is he denied. Yamna'u is he denies. If I say you deny, it has to become tamna'u.
No, you.
Tamna'u is you deny.
But they also tamna bunu, Sahib.
No, so that is for non-human Nahid Aunty. But here denying is human.
I got this one correct, but because of my second Kahoot, the scores are less. So can we add it up at the
Yeah, we'll
last?
add it up at the end. No problem. So Nahid Aunty,
Yeah,
tamna'u is he denies.
I
This is-
realized, Sahib.
This
I
is
realized.
human. Yes.
Just
So,
kind of.
tamna'u would be to non-human, but it is here. It is yamna'una is they deny.
I mean, I understood my mistake.
Yes. So yamna'una is they deny. Tamna'una is you deny. So if you marked blue, you all deny. It has to be tamna'una, you all. But yamnauna is like yamnau. It is they deny. Okay, so finally I trapped Nahid auntie. I managed to do one tough question. Okay, so we have Hifza part 2. Hifza 1, I think is 3-1 something 3199. So adding that, Hifza becomes third. Okay, guys, we are again running out of time. Does anyone have to leave? I think we have 3 more questions. We should take 5 more minutes. So either we close now or we finish at 2 o'clock.
We finish it Saturday.
Okay, 5 more minutes. Today's class is running overboard. Next class, inshallah, we'll try to make it sooner. Let's do 3 more questions and we close, inshallah. Question 16, bonus question, double points. So pay attention. Hamid asked her a question yesterday. Hamid asked her a question yesterday. Yesterday is al-madi, which is already al-amsi. Okay, al-amsi is yesterday is already translated. You need to focus on Hamid asked her a question. How do you say Hamid asked her a question? Lu is sa'alaha Hamidun su'alan al-amsi. Right? Yas'aluha Hamidun su'alan al-amsi. Green, sa'alahu Hamidan su'alun al-amsi. Orange, yas'aluhu Hamidun su'alun al-amsi. Blue is sa'alaha Hamidun su'alan al-amsi. Red, sa'aluha Hamidun su'alan al-amsi. Green, sa'alahu Hamidan su'alun al-amsi. Orange, sa'aluhu Hamid su'alan al-amsi. 50 seconds to go. Hamid asked her a question. Blue, sa'alaha Hamidun su'alan. Okay, so people are fast. People are feeling hungry. So sa'alaha, sa'ala is he asked. Who asked? Hamid asked because it is Hamidun. Now he asked her. Her is detail. It comes in the attached form. Her is ha. So hu, huma, hum, ha, huma, hunna. Ha is the attached pronoun for here. Here is the detached pronoun, it is the subject pronoun, object pronoun is ha. Ha is going to attach with the word, so it is sa'alaha. So asked her Hamid, or Hamid asked her a question. So Alan. Correct answer is blue. Okay, all of the top 5 got it correct. Question 17. Khadija asked him a question yesterday. Easy question. Khadija asked him a question yesterday. Okay, time is, there's no time, guys. Let me skip this question. Something went wrong. So I'm not letting Zahan steal away points. For some reason, this question had only 20 seconds, so I skipped this for everyone.
Are you good, Sahib?
No, we wouldn't have, people wouldn't have answered. There was only 15 seconds, so something went wrong with count. So Khadija asked him a question. So I'd say Khadija too. Okay, so it's going to be Khadija too. It's not going to be Khadija too, it's going to be Khadija too. Asked him. Asked is again Sa'ala. Asked him Sa'alahu. Okay, so no one gets points for this question. In fact, Khadija asked, Sa'ala would become Sa'alat. That was the catch in this question. So Sa'ala is he asked, she asked, Khadija is she, so it's become Sa'alat. Sa'alathu Khadijatu. Like we have Ra'a, Ra'at. This is what we saw. We saw Ra'a, Ra'at. Ra'a is he saw, she saw Ra'at. This question has Sa'alat. Sa'alathu is she asked him. And who asked? Khadijatu. Khadijatu is the subject. So correct answer is orange. Zahan doesn't get cheating bonus points. Last question of the quiz, okay? Bonus question, double points. This question can be a game changer, okay? Translate this ayah. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. Pay attention again. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ, pay attention to سَأَلَكَ, عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ. Okay, pay attention to Sa'alaka ibadi anni. That's the part before comma. After comma is fa'inni qaribun. Blue, when my servants ask you about me, then indeed I am new.
Leave.
Right? When my servants ask you, when my servants ask about you, then indeed you are new. Green, when my servants ask me about you, then indeed I am new. Orange, when my servants ask about me, say indeed I am new. فَإِذَا is and when. Sa'alaka ibadi. Ibadi is my servants or my slaves. Okay. Sa'alaka ibadi anni. Ibadi slaves. Sa'alaka ibadi anni fa'inni qaribun. Blue, when my servants ask you about me, then indeed I am new. Red, when my servants ask about you, then indeed you are near. Green, when my servants ask me about you, then indeed I am near. Orange, when my servants ask about me, say indeed I am near. 10 seconds to go, guys. Time is running out. Five seconds to go. 1 second to go. Okay. Tough question. Wa'ita is and when. Sa'alaka. Sa'ala is he asked. Okay. Sa'alaka, he asked you. Now, he asked, he is defined. Ibadi is the he. So, Sa'alaka is asked, he asked you. Who asked? He is defined Ibadi. So, my slaves asked you or ask you Anni. An is about, Anni about me. Then, indeed, I am your. For inni, inna is indeed. Inni or innani, because of the pronoun ya, is indeed I. Qaribun is your. Then indeed I am your. When my servant asks you about me, then indeed I am near to them. Say that I am near to them. That's what it means. So correct answer is blue. The rest of the answers are pretty far from the correct answer. So let's see the standings with this bonus question. Third place is Rahil Aunty. We need to reconcile with Hifza because Hifza has two parts. But here Rahil Aunty is second. Zahan Aunty third, Zahan second, Nahid Aunty first.
I have 12,652.
Oh, so Hifza is slightly ahead. Hifza is third. So well done, Hifza. So Rahil Aunty 12,400, Hifza 12,300. So third place, Rahil Aunty, Hifza very, very close. Zahan with his Arabic name in this class came second, Nahid Aunty first. Well done, guys. So this quiz tells you where exactly you stand. Okay, so no one has understood this topic perfectly. So Nahid Aunty is 13 out of 17. Zahan is 12 out of 17. One question was I skipped. Okay, which is
2 question was mistake, Sahib.
2 question was mistake, correct. So out of 15, Nahid Aunty 13, Zahan 12 or 11. Zahan got 1 question correct. Rahil Aunty 9. Hifza, you got how many? 9 correct?
I don't know that.
Okay, but guys, so we need more practice, okay? Especially Sadia, Shazia, you guys were nowhere in the top 5. You need more practice. Safa, Sidra, I do not see any of you guys in the top 5. So you need more practice. It's only with practice that you're going to listen, that you're going to speak, that you're going to learn the language quickly, inshallah. So with that, we'll close. Sorry for overrunning this class, but I hope it was useful. Any questions, I'll take it after closing the class. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Wastaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Ma'asalama. Catch you all next Saturday, inshallah. And anyone who has questions, stay back. I'll be happy to answer your questions, inshallah. Ma'asalama. See you all next Saturday.